Three Menlo Park homes are on the market this weekend, but the newest listing may have the oldest story. One clock says 3 days. Our analysis traces the seller's initial attempt back to sell the properties a while back. This is our weekly market X-ray for San Francisco and Bay Area. Every Thursday, we pull the Bay Area news that moves money, what our own analysis turned up, and the door's worth your Saturday. Subscribe. This is where the real clock gets published. Today, the headlines, what we learned, and 3 Menlo Park doors. Stay for the last one, the one that was just listed a few days ago. San Francisco closings fell hard in late July. Sold listings dropped from 110 mid-month to 66 2 weeks later, and inventory fell from about 900 homes in May to 619, per the San Francisco Business Times. That is not buyers winning. In that same week, 16 of 18 single-family homes closed above asking, and one Presidio Heights house, 3140 Pacific Avenue, closed 60% over its ask. One house, not a rule. Fewer buyers simply meant fewer homes. If you are shopping San Francisco this month, your outcome turns on how many homes like yours are open when you walk in. About a third of San Francisco's office space sits empty. AI companies still cannot find rooms that fit. The Real Deal counts the occupied AI footprint at 8.5 million square feet, 1 in every 10 in the city, against citywide vacancy near 32%. Both are true, because a vacancy rate counts space, not whether the space works. That count is also conservative. Anthropic's 420,000 feet at 300 Howard Street and OpenAI's 280,000 sit outside it, not yet fully occupied. If you own or lease flexible office or research space here, that vacancy number overstates your real competition. Our analysis this week took Menlo Park apart. It is not one market. One city, 4 school districts, ratings from 10 down to 1, by parcel, not by address. Same city, and under Proposition 13, a 1970s buyer pays a median $5,742. A 2020s buyer, $33,272. Price does not buy leverage either. The area closing near 2.25 million beat asking nearly 79%. Up at 5.05 million, barely 31. That took 8,819 parcels and 168 closings to see. The denominators under those splits were not stated. Call them directional. Tap subscribe. We take a new community apart every week, and that is how the next one finds you. And since we just reviewed Menlo Park, this weekend we are knocking on 3 doors in Menlo Park: 320 Arlington Way, 1203 North Lemon Avenue, 15 San Juan Avenue. The full list, route, and timing sit in the description. 3 houses, not a trend. Pick a side below. Reset if a seller who already failed once negotiates harder. Fresh if a 4-year gap makes that attempt meaningless. Then tell us which community we pull next. We run whatever wins. 320 Arlington Way, a one-of-a-kind 2-story home with a cottage on a private 15,000-foot lot. 6 days, 1 try, no movement. The lot and the cottage are the value case, and the listing's own remarks say its public bed, bath, and size record is wrong. The clock is clean, the floor plan needs its own family tree. At the door, permitted condition space, house and cottage apart. 1203 North Lemon Avenue sells 1 line, close to downtown. The clock says 3 days. Our records show a $4 million closed transaction in June 2019. The lever is location plus a finished outdoor program. Nobody has said no to this price yet. 15 San Juan Avenue sells 1 clause, true California flow. The clock says 22 days. Our records show a $2,700,000 closed transaction for the predecessor property in December 2023. That house is gone. The gap is a building, not appreciation. Replacement scale is the lever. 4,726 feet with an accessory suite. The house is new. Its marketing history already has 3 chapters. That, not the multiple, is the signal. At the door, final lot area, and whether that suite counts inside the stated size. Before the weekend, walk these 3. The route is on our website. After, the walkthroughs are coming. And if you are buying or selling here, that same engine points at one deal. We rank every agent in a market on what their closings did. Real time on market, how often they cut, first ask against final price, against what you want. Then we stay in as your analyst while the agent runs it. The method is on our website, Big Data Realty. We run the numbers, you make the call.